how to create a new Apple ID. So you can create a new Apple ID from a website or from your device, directly from your device. So if you have your iPhone or iPad, you can open up settings. Then settings, tap on Apple account. Now at the top here, tap on don't have an Apple account. Here, select the account type or the age range and select one of the options. Next, we put in our name. And then choose birthday. So here you can select a birthday, year. So I'll select a year. And then the month. So I'll select the month. And we select the day here. So the 1st January 1980. And from here, you can enter in the email address. If you don't have an email address, you can tap on don't have an email address. And here you can get an iCloud email address for free. So tap on that if you don't have an email address. Here, put in an email address. It will use iCloud email address. So for example, I'll put in ID Jungles 2025 and then tap on continued. Now here's an email address already taken, so tap on OK, and here I'll try another one, 2026, then tap on continued, and it's an email address already taken, so we can try 27, and then tap on continued, and here's a create ID Jungles with that email address, so tap on create email address. And then we're going to put in the password and verify the password. Then tap on the continue button. Okay, after that, you can put in your phone number or you can use a different number and tap on continued. Here, agree to terms, so tap on agreed. And now it is signing into the device, then tap on continued. Next, we enter the iPhone passcode. Okay, so now I have created a new Apple ID account. Another way to do it is from the website. Here you can go to Google, so using the search engine. So you can just type in create new Apple ID, and then we go down and tap on create your account. And from here, you can simply just put in your email address and password, and put in your first name, last name. The format is a little bit different, but basically that's the same things. It will allow you to create your Apple account from the website. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.